Hi guys, so let's do your energy check. Gamit natin si Cloak card. So this is para sa may mga sun, moon, at rising na Aries. These readings are for guidance purposes. So use your free will wisely and do subscribe, like, and share for future videos. Aries, so your energy check we have here is the card of the shield. Isa sa pinakagamit na card ni Sakura sa mga series niya because this denotes protection. Now, yung protection niya hindi lang naman yung shield na to. It does not just protect si Sakura from attack, yung physical attack, but from magic attack. Pero it also protects the person o yung mga importante do sa tao, yung mga gamit niya, other people. So this card is advising you need to exert protection din. Hindi lang naman sa'yo, pero pati na rin doon sa mga tao, mga bagay, mga paniniwala na pinaglalaban mo. You need to shield them as well. Kasi on your end, ikaw okay ka na. On your end, you are already protected by the divine. Pero kasi, tandaan natin, some attacks, hindi siya minsan diretso sa atin. Sometimes, the attack will be going directly sa mga importante sa buhay natin. So, it is also important that we manifest and seek protection from the universe para doon sa mga importante sa atin. Kumbaga, yun yung sinasabi na protect your own. So, I hope nakatulong yung reading sa'yo. Remember, the readings are for guidance purposes. Use your free will wisely. And kung bago po kayo, I invite you to subscribe, like, and share. So, maraming salamat. God bless, Namaste, Hare Krishna, and blessed be. And I'll see you on our next video. Bye for now.